In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your own file in Mural, transforming your creative processes into a seamless, collaborative experience. Imagine you're working on a project with your team and you need to incorporate a key document or image. Whether it's a PDF, a Word document, or an image, adding your files into Mural can significantly enhance your collaborative setup. I'll guide you through this straightforward process to ensure you can smoothly integrate your own files into your Mural canvas. To start off, navigate to your Mural canvas. Take a moment to orient yourself by locating an empty space on the canvas, perhaps a blank area that's uncluttered and ready for new elements. Once you're settled, you'll need to right-click in that empty space. Alternatively, you can opt for the toolbar, which serves as a handy control panel for all your creative needs. Upon right-clicking or accessing the toolbar, you'll be presented with a menu. Here, the crucial step is to choose either Import Files or Upload Files. This option is your gateway to incorporating external content into your Mural. Now, with the menu open, the choice is yours as to where you'd like to pull your file from. If your desired file is saved on your computer, simply select the appropriate option to browse your local files and choose the specific document or image you wish to add. Alternatively, if your file is housed in a cloud storage service, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive, and you have the integration set up, you can easily access your file from these platforms too. This flexibility ensures you can work with files wherever they may reside, enhancing your project's fluidity. Once you've selected your file, watch as it seamlessly appears on your canvas as a widget. Think of this widget as an interactive object representing your file. It could be an image or a document object. Now that it's on your canvas, you have the freedom to move it wherever it fits best within your project layout. Not only can you move it, but you can also resize and rotate it, giving you optimal flexibility in how you choose to present your information. If the file you've imported is a document, like a PDF or Word document, there's an added layer of functionality. Not only can you view the document, but other collaborators on your project can interact with it too. They have the ability to open or download the document directly within the Mural, making collaboration even more seamless. This feature ensures all team members are on the same page, literally enhancing communication and productivity across your project. By following these steps, you're not just importing files, you're elevating the way you collaborate with your team on Mural, making the creative process more dynamic and interactive.